Okay, it's a very cloudy day and it's spitting out a little bit. So we'll see, even on this type of overcast day, the Harbor Freight 7-watt solar charger, as you can see by its blue LED, is charging. Still putting out power. Okay, even though it's a very cloudy day out there, actually it's raining, I hooked up the Harbor Freight solar panel to the battery tender solar charge controller, and you can see it's charging. And I got both motion detector lights on, and even on a cloudy day like that, that Harbor Freight solar panel is putting out that many volts. Not bad for a $25 investment.